channel, back for another video with the Raptor RT. Yeah, we're taking the Raptor to get the hood finally wrapped in satin black by the one and only Berber's Customs here in Atwater, California. For those that are watching, yeah, I've been debating exactly how I wanted to do or to even add some other additional wrap to the vehicle besides the Raptor logos that I had in the past prior to me putting the wide body kit on. Still thinking of redesigning the new Raptor logo to put on the side of my fenders or on the side doors. Not too sure yet, but I've been sizing things up and seeing how that's going to come about. But definitely we're going to wrap the hood in satin black, give it more of an offset with the wide body. You guys see my wide body, I haven't painted it, I haven't wrapped it whatsoever. I like the way it looks all black. It gives it a cool little contrast of offset with the black wheels. But yeah, so far this is where I'm heading to, is wrapping the hood in satin black. And maybe I may do the roof, maybe not. But definitely stay tuned, see what's gonna be coming up on the videos. Alright guys, we showed up here to Atwater Tint Wraps. Check out that SRT8 though. Woo! Look at the Mopar coming into this. We are here. Let me see the compa can hook it up. I'll show you guys more coming soon. Alright, heavy SRT left. I'll put him in the description and tag him up. Here we come. Raptors next. Well, there you have it guys, the Raptor is fully wrapped, the hood to the front end. Super great addition, he said, to put on the front end just to get that nice offset black. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Big shout out to Berber's Customs here in Atwater, California. Mopar is the game, it's the scene, it's the way he stays. He even drives himself a 2015 Hellcat. One of the first editions when they first got released. I'll put his Instagram down in the description so I can give him a follow. Look up his shop, and we're out. Thanks again guys for watching this video. Hood's finally wrapped, and the next stop is going to be the Wickham Bell install. Shout out to Vicris. That's going to be the next piece of an addition to the Challenger. I'm pretty stoked about it. Want to see what that's going to look like on my car. I know a lot of Challengers have the wicker bill, but I've always debated it. Had one, sold it to Yeti 16, but I was like, you know what, why not? So I bought it again, and it got here pretty fast. So thank you again, Chris, for getting there pretty quick, even through this pandemic that's happening in this damn world. But yes, thank you for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. There's more videos coming. Don't be afraid to ask any questions whatsoever. I know a lot of people have been asking about the wide body kit, how I installed it, if there's any cutting involved. Yes, there's cutting involved on my end, but remember, if you all want more information, just watch the previous videos. And remember, always like the videos. All right, later, y'all.